Advanced trigonometry identities. First, double identity. The given will be cos 2x is equals to positive negative 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Uh, First, it will be is equals to uh, positive negative parenthesis 1 minus 2 parenthesis square root of 5 over 5 squared is equals to positive negative 1 minus 2 parenthesis 5 over 25 is and then will be equals to positive negative over parenthesis 1 minus 2 and it will be uh, 1 minus 2 over 5 and that is equals to positive negative 3 over 5. This how to solve double identity. And the second example is the exact value of sine 105 degree if the reference triangle is cosine 210 degree is equals to negative cosine 30 degree. This will be sine 105 degree is equals to sine 210 degree over 2. And then sine will be sine 105 degree is equals to square root of 1 negative cosine 210 degree over 2 will give you is equals to sine 105 degree is equals to 1 negative cosine 30 degree over 2. Sine 105 degree is equals to 1 times negative cosine 30 degree over 2 will be equals to sine 105 degree is equals to the square root of 1 negative parenthesis negative 3 then 2 over 2 and the final answer will be equals to sine 105 degree is equals to square root of 2 plus square root of 3 over 2. This will be the final answer. And this is how to solve advanced trigonometry identities.